I just seen a new release in Texas, another company working on doing some type of deal with real estate. So it's starting to happen. Proppy did it in Florida. I think more are to come, and hopefully in a few more years we'll be able to just, be able to buy a house pretty quickly. You know what I mean?
I mean, that is the dream, right? Where you can walk in to a house and you look on your smartphone and you're like, I'm going to buy it. You press a button, you bought it. You've got everything settled on the back end. And then the smart locks on the front door automatically detect your smartphone's Bluetooth and just let you in the house, right? Like that, like you own the NFT to the house. Okay, the locks unlock for you. That is going to be an amazing day when that comes.
I agree. I mean, and people may be listening, you might already have some Bitcoin in your wallet, right? So you just kind of push purchase, right? And then the on-chain lender takes your Bitcoin, locks it up as a down payment, automatically issues you a mortgage for that other 80 or 70%, right? Gets recorded, called public records or on-chain if they bring those records on-chain. And I mean, you could have instant settlement across the closing process. I mean, you show up, you should be able to leave owner of that house if the seller is out of there already.
I mean, the days of MLS are numbered, right? Because this is all just going to be an on-chain smart contract. If you list a house, right, you just go to some decentralized application and you mint an NFT for that house, and you have a custodian, like we said, that is dealing with the traditional jurisdiction there, and then that just goes up on a central registry, and it'll be a global registry. It'll be kind of like a Zillow or whatever, where you can find houses all over the world in one website, rather than having to go to, the Arizona MLS or the North Carolina MLS. I mean, it's all these different databases and fees just to get listed, and, access problems. Not the average person can just get on there. So it's really going to change that a lot.